안녕하세요 여러분, 제나로입니다. And you are watching COLLATALK. Today I'm here to introduce my top 3 favorite Korean brands lipstick. Choose by me, of course, yes. I'm not this kind of girl who have a lot of lipsticks from a lot of brands. I just have a few, and that's why today was not too hard to choose my top 3. So let's go through this. Let's go. Number 3, Ponii펙트. I have a lot of lipsticks from Ponii펙트, and this one is number 2. The name is Don't Speak. And this color is like red. I really like red lipsticks because just make me look more, I don't know, I just think red on my face, especially on my lips, just make more pretty, you know? So I'm going to show you guys how it's like new, but it's not supposed to be like this because I use a lot. My lips are not in the best condition because it's really cold in Korea right now, so it's a little bit hard to make your lips really hydrated, but I'm trying my best, okay? I'm trying my best, don't judge me. This lipstick is really matte. I really like it, and especially this color. I really like this color, especially because it looks like red, but there's no like orange or hot colors instead of the red. It's a little bit like dark red. I don't know really how to explain, but I just feel like, girl, you know? Wow. So now let's go to the number 2 of my favorite Korean lipsticks. So this is number 2, is from Inbox. It's like TikTok tint lip, and the color is number 14, Love Rosy Cardigan. Wow. So you need to push here and you can use it. Let's apply then. Oh. When you press it, you can see like here when the lip tint just get, oh my god. Okay, it's a lot, but let's go through this. So this one is a little bit reddish, like pinky reddish or red pinkish. So in my case, I don't think when there's a little bit of orange tone, I don't think really match with my face, but this specific one is a little bit, just a little bit like orange, you can see. It's a little bit, and it's okay. I just think I look really good with this. If I need to choose like one specific situation to use each one, like the number 3 from Ponii펙트 and the number 2 from Inbox, number 3 is for like night stuff, you know, when I'm just going to the dinner or something like this. I just like to use this one, and this you can use during the day. I think it's a little bit more warm, so it's good to use during the daylight. What do you guys think? I like it. I like it. Hydration. You always need hydration. Your lips need to be hydrated. The number 1, Cleo. Yes. So this one is Cleo Matte. You know, it's like a lip tint, but when you use it in your lips, just feel like really matte. The color is number 1, Natalie Red, and this one, it's especially I love to use when I go to the clubs. So this is my favorite number 1 ever because I just feel on my lips like a matte, but when you look, it's a little bit shiny and it's still matte. So this one is like a mix between like a really matte lipstick and like a shine tint. This one just appeared in my life. I was in a store and then I saw it and I was like, looks nice, and then I just bought it. I want it, I bought it. I seen it, I like it. And yeah, just become my favorite after this. And yeah, Cleo, I really like this one. Wow, look at those lips. I hope you guys liked my top 3 favorite Korean brand lipstick ever. Choose by me, Jenaro. Yes. Don't forget to give your like on this video, subscribe to this channel, and take a look go take a look to my social media for sure. It's on description down below. And I would love to know what do you guys think about these lipsticks. So please leave your comment down below. I'm going to be right there reading everything that you guys post. Okay. So see you guys next time. Thank you very much. Bye.